New year, new me. It sounds kind of cringe, doesn't it? But it can also change your entire life. And let me tell you why I think it can be cringe. Because for your entire life, you've always said that. You've always said that this year is going to be the year that I finally hit my goals and become a better person and succeed in life. But your life is still the exact same. Nothing has changed since you said that. You still want to achieve the goals, but you never actually truly commit to them. People might even laugh at you like, oh, it's just another one of his New Year's resolutions, which he never succeeds on. And that's why it can be seen as cringe if you don't do what you said that you would do. But not for the one who actually succeeds. Not for the one who actually sees changes and real results in his life. When you see the guy in the beginning of the year and in the end of the year, and you can actually see a difference in his physique, and he maybe even makes money online, he's a better person, has a better personality, is stronger, kinder. And let me tell you why that person became successful. The guy that succeeded maybe did all the bad habits in the beginning, just like you do and just like I used to do. But we always go about it the wrong way. We think that we can just change overnight, but in reality we're still the same person. Absolutely nothing changes in our mind over just one night. We're still the same person that did all the same bad habits, that played video games, ate junk food, didn't go to the gym. Yet we expect of ourselves to make a complete switch, to start going 6 times a week to the gym, to never eat junk food again, to never play any video games, to be more social and be a kinder person. And just doing a complete switch like that, is going to be very difficult, because you're still the same person that did all the bad habits. You need some time to change yourself and change your character to be able to consistently do the good habits and stop doing the bad habits. Let's say if you never ever worked out, you can't just expect going to the gym 6 times a week, like in the beginning of January. Like that, it just doesn't work like that. What you need to do is go about it the smart way. Maybe you have the goal of going to the gym 6 times a week and building a really good physique. But if you've never ever worked out before, you need to start slowly. Start by going once a week, twice a week, and slowly but surely going more and more per week. So the first 4 weeks you maybe go 2 times a week. The next 8 weeks maybe you go 3 to 4 times, and then you continue from there. And then a couple of months in, you're going 6 times a week, and it doesn't feel like it's too much, effort, because you've gotten used to it over time. If you just switch immediately, it's gonna feel more stressful and stirring on your body and your mind as well. And let me be clear, this does not mean you should slack early on. Like for me personally, I have a goal to upload 2 to 3 videos every single week. But to get there, I can't just start there immediately, because I need some time to get used to it. Like, I'm going to start uploading 1 video every week, and then when I feel that I can do more, I'm gonna add another video every week. I'm just gonna make sure for myself that I get used to it, so it doesn't become too much too early. Because I think it's so easy to get hyped up, like, oh, this new year, new me. And so we set unrealistic resolutions and goals that are completely different from the life that you used to live. And it will make the process a lot more challenging and resisting. So it just ends up feeling like you're bashing your head against the wall. So you quit, and you fail another one of your new year, new me, just like the other 95% of people. But you don't want to be like the other 95%, do you? So don't do what they do. Don't listen to them. Don't act like them. Do it this way. Do it your way. Build it up. And I think that from doing that, you're going to see a lot more results than if you were to make the switch completely. That's what I'm doing, at least. Like I said with the videos, I'm gonna start doing 1 video every week. I'm gonna really try. And then when I feel like it, I'm going to add another video and maybe even 3 videos every week. I really want to hold my word on that. And let me ask you, are you gonna be the guy that can't hold your own word? That didn't accomplish what he said he would? Or are you gonna do what you set out to be? Take care and stay focused, my friends.